Hello, everyone. We are going to go over the expression to pig out. So, to pig out is to eat a lot, to really eat a lot over a short amount of time. It really just means to binge eat, to really binge eat, and typically it's usually on one source of food. So, we are going to go over a few sentences in which we can use to pig out. So, yes, to eat a lot. Now, I'm going to start with I'm, and I can say I'm going to pig out. I'm going to pig out. So just that expression alone just means I'm going to probably eat a lot of one thing. So I'm going to pig out on some, or you just say on. So if you're going to use on, then you want to mention the food. So I'm going to pig out on brownies. So that means I'm just going to eat a bunch of brownies in a short amount of time. So I'm going to pig out on some brownies. So you can use on or on some, doesn't matter. Now, you can also give an expression of time. So if you're saying I'm going to, then it's going to be referring to some time in the near future. So yes, I am going to pig out on some brownies on Friday. So someone may be making brownies on Friday and you're just going to pig out on them. You're going to eat a bunch of them. Or maybe you've got some brownies right now in your kitchen and you say, "Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm going to pig out on some brownies now. I'm going to pig out on some brownies now." Then you take the whole plate of brownies and you eat all of them. So, yeah, you pigged out on brownies. Now, we can also use to pig out in the past tense as well. So you can use pigged out. So it's going to make that d sound. Pigged out. So if someone asks you, what did you do during the weekend, or what did you eat during the weekend? Then you say, no, oh, I pigged out. I pigged out on some ice cream. I pigged out on some ice cream last weekend. Oh, what did you do yesterday? Oh, I pigged out on some nachos yesterday. So you just kind of ate one food and you ate a bunch of it. You pigged out on it. You ate a bunch of it. So that's how you would kind of use it in the past tense. And you can also use pigging out. If it's happening, that if you use pigging out, that can be used for right now or in the near future. I forgot to mention that, so I can say I am pigging out on some cake now. So if it's happening right now, or you can use it in the near future as well. I'm pigging out on some cake on Friday, if Friday's in the future. So I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that one. Um, Now I can also use this in the present tense. So if it's like every day, if it's kind of continuous, I'm always kind of pigging out on something. So let's say chicken's one of my favorites. So I can say I pig out on chicken every day. I pig out on chicken every day. So that means I just eat a lot of chicken every day. Or you can say I pig out on junk food every day. If you're going to McDonald's every day and you're eating McDonald's 3, 4 times a day, you'd be pigging out on it. So yeah, these are some of the ways to use pig out in sentences, and that's going to conclude this lesson. And to pig out means to binge eat, to eat a lot of something. So thank you very much for following along.